Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading info man. The big question is, all guys are waiting for this. When is the big short? Most guys are short, and also here Skyrex Trading is short, and he's showing us here, yes, he has an active short position, but the Bitcoin price is going up, and that's dangerous. That's really dangerous. We will check this now in this update. What's going on with Bitcoin? Let's go. So let's start with this quick analysis. Here's crypto, Quantify crypto, and what can we see now? Bitcoin is very bullish. Look at this, 83.8 points. Ethereum, 92.2 points, very bullish. Binance coin, very bullish, and XRP is also very bullish. If we are watching what coin is the biggest winner here in 24 hours of the top 20 coins, it's ADA. ADA, it's mooning for the moment. I have a nice video out there for ADA, please watch it. Also, Doge is mooning. I have also a nice little short video out there for Doge. You have to watch it. Solana is going up, Near is going up, Link, Matic, Shiba Inu is going up. All these coins are going up. The biggest loser of the day is Crow and Bitcoin Cash. They are going down a little bit, but it's not so much. You can see it also on the top left side here. So let's check this one once again. Here is Skyrex Trading, and he's showing us he had a first short position here with a stop loss. And what happened? It went up. He had the next one here, a short, two active short, and what's happening? It's going up. So the big question is now, yes, we have a bearish divergence with the MACD on the downside. You can see it. That's the 4-hour time frame. And he's showing us he has two trend lines, and he's thinking about this. If we will break trend line number 2, we will see a dump down to the downside, more, and maybe under 36,000, 37,000. So guys, here is my analysis. Here is the 1-hour time frame, and what can we see here? We can see here the clear chart picture. We have a golden cross. We are going up. Yes, of course. I also told you yesterday, it's maybe here a nice short position, and what's happening? We are going up to the upside. Guys, you know it. I'm never shorting Bitcoin, but if you are shorting, it's not a bad moment here on this point, or maybe on this point. Let me show you. Let me show you this one. Let's remove the dash cross, golden cross. Let's remove the ribbon band. What's going up here? And we can make a nice line from here to the upside. That's a support line. And we also can make a line from here over this point to this upside. That's a rising wedge here. You can see it. And the big question is, will we go up to the upside, break out here to this point, and after this go to the upside and more, or will we see maybe an upgoing price after this down to the downside? And then the big question is, here, down or up? These are the possibilities what we have, and we need to watch this, guys. First of all, we have a big resistance. That's this red fat line, and this resistance is on the moment on the price about 44,800. We need to watch this, and we have a big support also. That's first of all this green line. Depends always where or when we will hit this line, 42,500, 600, 800, maybe something about this one, or the next one to the downside, and that's this price, 40,500. Depends also where we will hit this range here. We have a nice parallel channel to the upside. Yes, of course, that's the nice upgoing parallel channel, and that's the thing what we are watching here. We have the middle line, and that's the big thing. Do we see a breakout of this rising wedge to the upside, or will we see a breaking down the rising wedge? It's the big question. Maybe EMA ribbon band can help us, and for the moment, what can we see if we are zooming in a little bit more? Yes, of course, we are over the ribbon band. We have confirmed closing candles over the EMA ribbon band. Everything is fine. EMA 200 is here on the downside. If we are watching this on the 4-hour time frame, we also can see we are over the ribbon band. Everything is fine. Everything is working. Golden cross, dash cross is also okay. We have a golden cross. We are over the green line, over the red line. Everything is working. Now, let's check the daily time frame, and that's now, in my opinion, more important. We have here the ribbon band. We are over the ribbon band, okay, and on the upside is coming a lot of resistance, and that's interesting. Now we can see EMA 200, the yellow line, price about 44,600. Then we have the red line, then we have this line. So okay, on the upside we have a lot of resistances here on a price about 44,000, 45,000, something about this. Here are a lot of resistance lines. We need to watch this. Let's remove all drawings. Let's remove all indicators. Let me show you here on the bigger time frame indicators, and let me show you the the moving average, this one here, moving average, and let's watch, you know it guys, the 21 moving average. Here it is. So on the daily, Yes, it is a nice support. We have confirmed closing candles. We saw a breakout over this one. Everything is okay. On the week, we have it here as a resistance, a fat, bad resistance line. And in my opinion, I showed you this on my last videos also, 46,000 for the moment is the price for the MA21. We need to break this to see a next move to the upside. As long as we are under this line, it's really, really dangerous on the bigger time frame. And yes, if we are watching the bigger time frame, what's happening here? We see something about, or something like this one here. A line from here to here, a line from here to here, a giant rising triangle wedge, okay, something like this one. And you can see we are acting maybe in the next time between this maybe rising triangle. Let me call it rising triangle. Something about this one here. It's possible to go up here to a price about 76,000. It's not impossible, guys. It's possible. It's also possible to go down again here, maybe to 37,000. We are in this range for the moment. And what else can we see, guys? And that's a big thing what I'm showing you since long time. Let me show you. So if you're going back in the daily time frame, let me show you really quick one thing. I think that's really important. Let me show you this one. I think we saw here a really nice area. This was this area here. Something about this one or something like this one here on the upside. And I think something about this one. And I think we saw another one here on the downside here on this place. After this, we saw one here on the upside on this place. And now we are watching the same thing. We are watching this one here on the downside. I think we see now maybe a nice breakout. It's possible, a nice breakout to the upside. And I think, guys, it's possible to see something about this. So it's not so easy to short this one because a 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe number 5 to the upside. I can't predict it, but maybe up to the upside like this one. And maybe we will see here the next area on the upside. This would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott wave, upgoing wave. And this would be a really nice trade opportunity, but we need to break out of this area. That's really important, guys. So it is a short, quick update for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you can use this information for your own trading. And guys, this is not a financial advice. Bye bye. Yours, Biti.